Good evening, YouTube friends. It's Darren. Hope everybody's doing awesome. Wife tasked me this weekend to make something decorative with a message that she could put some of her St. Patty Day stuff on. And I can't turn this around. So, this is what I made. 2x8 by 8 that she can stack all kinds of stuff on, and decorative books. Hello everybody, it's Darren. I hope you guys are doing awesome. It's a cool Saturday evening here. It is about 6:44 p.m. It's been typical Georgia weather. 30 degrees, and a couple of days later it's in the high 70s. Now it's down in the low 60s. But as long as I can sit outside comfortable, not too cold, not too hot, and I can enjoy, yes, Dracula coming back to life again. Still not too much sun out. Smoking some Cornell and Deal haunted bookshop. Stuff is very good. Love it. Alistair, you're the man. Thanks again. And as you can see, I was tasked to do some woodworking this weekend for the wife. And so I did. And on an iPad, when you video, you can't turn it around and continue the video. So I had to use iMovie. I'm a technical guy. I'm a network engineer by trade. And I'm sitting there going, how the hell do I splice together a couple of videos? Perplexity.ai, bang, 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 there you go. iMovie, splice them together, edit, upload. There you go. I often wonder, as we look for AI to do a lot of the things that we ask it to do, and some of the things that people can make it do, is pretty cool. Sometimes I think it can be pretty scary, because I go to tech conferences, security conferences, with folks from Secret Service and other divisions of our government who talk about what AI does and what they use it for. And I think probably could have gone all day without hearing that. Anyway, it still was a good day today. Got that project done. I was excited to finish it, get it all sanded up, put the fillers in the screw holes and everything else, make it look nice and neat and pretty, and tomorrow we'll stain it up and let her take off with it and see what she wants to do with it. Again, hope everybody's doing great. If you like it, give me some content, give me some advice, opinions, like and subscribe. And as always, please be great.